Hello, this is SAVOX Sandy. So I'm here in the Titan RC Racing Way. So I will show you the Titan RC Racing Way for you guys because in November we will have a first SAVOX Cup in this track. Okay, here is the Titan RC Racing Way. So the track is in Yuanli, so it's nearby Taichung, and here is the parking. This parking can park around 50 cars. And here, this area, we will put a tank in the SAVOX car. So you have more drivers you can sit in here. And I will show you, here is the track. So here is the driver area. In this area, we also put a tank here. So here is all the visitors can stay in this area and to watch the competition. On the end, here is the toilet.